Welcome back to O-English Channel.
Today we are learning English in a fun and easy way.
And today's grammar topic is simple past tense.
Stay until the end and practice with us.
Yesterday I go to the market.
Oh, small mistake. Say, yesterday I went to the market.
Yesterday I went to the market, not go. So what is simple past tense?
We use it for actions finished in the past.
Like something that happened yesterday?
Exactly. The structure is simple. Subject plus past verb.
Example, I visited my friend.
Perfect sentence.
Are all past verbs the same?
No.
Some are regular verbs.
We add -ed.
Walk becomes walked. Watch becomes watched.
Clean becomes cleaned.
Great job.
This is easy. But some verbs are difficult, right?
Yes, irregular verbs change differently.
Uh-oh.
Don't worry, practice helps you get better at using them every single day.
Eat becomes eated.
No, eat becomes ate.
I ate pizza yesterday.
Excellent. Grandpa?
Buy becomes buyed.
Grandma? Nope, buy becomes bought. Grandpa? I bought a new phone. Grandma? Very good, you have learned it perfectly today.
How do we make negative sentences?
Use did not plus base verb.
Oh, base verb.
I did not went to school.
Small mistake again. Say, I did not go to school.
Not went. I did not go to school. What about questions?
Use did plus base verb.
Did you watch TV yesterday?
Perfect. Did she eat pizza?
No, say, did she eat pizza?
Base verb after did.
Correct.
We often use time words. Yesterday, last week, ago, last night.
I visited my uncle last month, and it was a wonderful time to catch up with him.
Wrong sentence. I eat pizza yesterday. Yeah.
Correct sentence. I ate pizza yesterday.
Now I understand simple past.
Great job learning with O-English Channel today.
Practice English every day and speak confidently.
Like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons.
See you in the next class.